Fortune favors the bold. Hey, have you seen Bohemian Rhapsody yet? The story of Queen and Freddie Mercury. I've actually seen it twice now, and it reminded me a lot about business resilience. Even though it was an incredible story about this band and their rise to fame, there was a very huge underlying message about their beginnings and how they became one of the most fantastic bands in the world, critically acclaimed with the best songs ever. And so I wanted to talk a little bit today about business resilience. So hey, if you don't know who I am, this is Susan Friesen of eVision Media, and welcome to my brand new show called Your Business Edge, AMPLiFY Marketing for Small Businesses. I took a bit of a break and I'm back with a new format and still some of the same tips and strategies that I would like to share with you, my fellow business owner and entrepreneur. And so if you want to hear more about business tips and strategies, I welcome you to click the subscribe button if you are watching this on YouTube, or click like and share and comment. Share with me what you think of these tips and strategies and about what we're talking about today about business resilience. So fortune favors the bold was said by Queen's business manager when they were sitting in a fictitious meeting with one of the radio executives. And this executive was played by Mike Myers, brilliantly, I might add. And he was saying that nobody's going to be sitting in their car bopping their heads to a 6-minute song called Bohemian Rhapsody. Well, of course, we all know that he made a big mistake with that, but the scene was really super important from a business perspective. And there's about four things that I can share that I picked up by watching that scene in relation to how to, keep our business going and be resilient in our business. And what I see in the 20 years that I've been in this business is that a lot of business owners give up. They run across too many obstacles, too many hurdles. They second guess themselves, and they allow a lot of things get in the way of their business progress. So I'm hoping that these four tips will kind of remind you, if you are running against obstacles and hurdles and it feels like it's just too much of a chore, first of all, go watch Bohemian Rhapsody and you'll understand more what I'm talking about. But instead of giving up, give these ideas a try. So one of the things I want you to think about is to not let the naysayers make you give up on your dream. I think that is really prevalent. Oftentimes, especially if you're a solo entrepreneur, it's natural for us to go and ask a friend, a relative, even a business coach, somebody for their opinion. And often that comes from just not having the sense of confidence that what we're doing is the right thing. And then as soon as we ask that other person, they're going to give us their opinion. And if that opinion is anywhere near a negative, oh, are you sure you should be doing that? Oh, are you positive it's going to cost a lot of money, you're not going to make any money, whatever, then we tend to back right off and then even give up on our dream. So I encourage you to be Freddie. The next time you hear a naysayer like that record executive in that office, you don't listen to them. In fact, you argue even more the reason why you feel so passionate about what you want to do, and just forget about other people's opinions, to be honest. If you really truly feel in the heart of your soul that what you're doing is the right thing, then don't even ask for permission. Don't ask for opinions. Just set out and do it. The other thing is to think about Freddie and be bold, stand out, and be amazing. Be different. Be somebody who is not like your competitor. And what you can do here is research your competitors. I mean, there is no space on this planet that doesn't have a competitor anymore. But that doesn't mean that your idea and your business profile is not going to work. What you want to do is take a look at your competitors, research what they're doing, see what kind of results that they're getting as far as engagement on Facebook, what are their followers saying about them, and see how you can make you different. Come up with something different. The more about you and your personality that comes through, the better, because there's no other person than you. You are the only you there are on this planet Earth. So be you. Bring more of your personality out. You don't have to be Freddie Mercury personality. I mean, he's an extreme example of what I'm talking about. But, you know, use video like this, use video that I'm using to bring out your personality, because at the end of the day, our business success does depend on developing the know, like, and trust factor with our followers, you know, with our prospective clients. And so the more that we can show them that they can, you know, get to know us more and like us more and trust us more in order to do business with us, the better, right? So use your unique personality, be as bold as you want to be as unique as you want to be, and that will differentiate you from your competitors. The other tip I wanted to share is to be as relentless as possible for the pursuit of perfection. Now, that doesn't mean you're ever going to reach perfection, not by a long shot. I don't think, you know, and nobody can say that they're perfect at what they do. But my reason for saying that is to never rest on your laurels. Always be in the pursuit of bettering your skill set, learning more, getting better at what it is that you do. And it doesn't matter what it is that you do, there's always room for improvement. So never sit back and say, yeah, I'm done, I'm good. My encouragement to you is always to be on the learning path. I mean, I have a stack of books this high by my bed. I'm always reading. I'm always taking courses. I'm always upping my skill set. I'm not doing my clients any service if I don't do that. So your relentless pursuit of perfection will help you differentiate yourself from your competitors. If somebody is comparing you with two other people that they can be hiring, you want to differentiate yourself. So be bold and know what you're doing. Be excellent at what you're doing. And the other thing that Freddie actually said in the movie, and I thought, oh my goodness, he knew exactly what he was talking about. And he was describing why Queen was even formed. And it was a bunch of misfits who were playing for an audience of misfits, so that the two misfits felt, that they were in company with each other. And at the end of the day, what he's talking about is playing for their target audience. So when we relate that to business, what you want to be doing and creating and being is always on behalf of or for your target audience. I've talked about this a lot, and I'll never stop talking about it, because it's so important that your target audience, the people that you want to be selling to or doing work for or whatever you are offering, you want to know who that buying persona is, so that you know the kind of language that they are speaking and are looking for. What are they needing from you, so that you can present yourself in a way that will resonate with them. So my wish for you in your business success is to be bold, get out there, never give up, and find the fortune in your favor. So until next time, to your business success. Bye for now.